Is my microphone turned on?
I said what I said.
Are you from Greenwich Village? We're not coming back. I'm not coming back.
Oh, don't be awkward. No. Leave it.
Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen, where we make easy, delicious food using the Instapot. My name is Tina Bear, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. We'd love to hear from you. You could also find us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Today, we are making a super easy mac and cheese. So delicious. All we're gonna do is add a box of macaroni into the Instapot. It's raining macaroni. And 4 cups of veggie broth. We're just gonna stir it up. Put the lid on, seal it. We are going to set it for 5 minutes, just like that. It's going to be so easy and delicious. We'll add some cheese to it. I can't wait for you to see it. So I went ahead and I released the rest of the pressure. You want to do a quick release because you don't want it cooking in there. And then it's that moment. You can see the macaroni is al dente. So good. So you just want to break it up. It's all stuck together. All right, just like that. Then we are going to go ahead and move this over. And I'm going to start adding ingredients in. Let me hit saute. I'm only going to do that for a little bit just to get everything warm into the same temperature. Add a little bit of whole milk or half and half. Stir that in. So good. I like to top this with some bacon bits. Got some hot sauce. Sis, you got bacon bits over there? Some bacon crumble? Yeah, so good. Doing a little bit of nutmeg. I know some people don't like their nutmeg in their pasta, but it's something I acquired. And it just makes everything taste so good. So we're just gonna stir this up. Oh, smells so good. And we have some Gouda. And you don't wanna just throw it in. You wanna do it in little batches. Some Gouda. Oh, what? Thank you. A little bit of sharp cheddar. Now, I recommend the sharp cheddar. To me, when I have macaroni and cheese, the sharp cheddar is what makes it. I'm gonna turn the saute off for a minute because everything is boiling. So just keep stirring, adding a little bit of mozzarella. And what the mozzarella does is it gives you that stringiness with your cheese. Good. And little by little, just keep adding. Mix it up. And if you need a little bit more milk, just go ahead and call for the milk fairy. A little bit of Parmesan. Just keep stirring it in. You want to do batches so it's not clumpy and lumpy. Oh my gosh, so good. And the heat of the pot just melts everything into this creamy. Oh, thank you, Milk Fairy. Thank you. If you need to add a little bit, a splash, just add a little bit more. Just depends how much you're making. Oh my gosh, so good. What? Did you say no way? Way. Now I have some bacon crumbles. I have a plate. Let's move this all out of the way. I'm gonna scoop up that cheesy. I'm telling you, it is so delicious. Even cold and reheated, it's that good. What? Okay, so I'm making a mess. That's okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of bacon on it because I love the bacon. And then I'm going to wish for a spoon. Let's wish for a spoon. I wish for a spoon so I could eat more food because I like to eat. What? A spoon and a fork? Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Right? It's so good. The Gouda gives it that earthy creaminess where you just want to add more bacon, crumbled prosciutto. It's decadent. It's definitely a step up macaroni and cheese. Oh my gosh. So good. I hope you try it out. Subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you think. It's absolutely delicious. Be kind to each other. Talk to you later.